and automotive engineering, refrigeration and air conditioning, welding and fabrication, na wigo ase ensema ya building and civil engineering, nkwege libale plumbing, masonry, carpentry and joinery, building technology, civil engineering, na wigo water engineering ase ensema ya computing and informatics, nkwege libale ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security, na wigo na network system administration ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering, nkwege libale electrical installation, na wigo electrical engineering ase ensema ya cosmetology, nkwege libale hairdressing, wigo mbagwate fashion design ase hospitality and tourism, nkwege libale food production yani cookery, na wigo food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Tengoro James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 was a form 4 batagiye universities. Acha teyo babere isiko ekiagara boniga se Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bali chiloni cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school golendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Echio applications chirororo naba bunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania tabiri mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we kawe basari in full inda abana baito January nitekinega ndereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga ose obakirisi mugutras kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Uya kegima mwancho murigereria Ogetembe TV morogobo myabwiri tukerigaria Jumaine tariki 30 mwaka bw'ishiri ubere 2025 na wigo no mutinyi 12 gose no mutinyi bo mware bo mwako yiga chinga kiri atigeriri tukerimo heri mwako yiga onyare kwera gose onyare gwa kanse cyabuto kirechita ikayibere kure chinsa 10 cyabona morogoba chinga kitwikira SMS y'ikyunga tokomanya majabu nagenda tugo twikira SMS yito y'ikyunga kuro imenesko yorogongoro gusinje kere banyiburete bandogete Catherine tato mintoga kuro nyaboga nabo igobona tumwa tumuchando no bose kero konduka Catherine nyaboga Vanessa Nyabuke kuraso muna bo imanyiriro Kevin Ongeri kuri studio ya kabiri ntero koneke buna chibichechi na boiga Mariogi wikira chira senchira ereyo wikira no ikaranso ike obena intubuika omwero tokomanye ari atwa kwariganeri na togo chaka abamenyi be bunge ya Kitutu Church South ego toka county ya Kisii ni go bago kero mukia omuyumbo bo omoske Anthony Kibagendi ase abisi ya anamono yeke ganje kirikia NGZDF ya chaka kwenda na chifo mchechi basari ase abo aborekiwa bonsi imeyechi wodi sano ase ebungeyu kusangana bamenye abo nigo obokoreri obo watch osebu abacheire ange asekera oyomo akonyora keria arache kwirera osarache konyora chibesa cyo kwirera mwana oyo skuru gose gusira amasomo bamenye abo nigo bagokera egetambo gerekyo
Maria Tangor Corona Nyakundi Omweri. I'm a student pastor. Na ndengo tebi mheshimiwa mbiyamo na singe nchi manena akorire. Chinga kicha kurumaega nchi na akorite school 2004 na akorite 2003. Kurwabo kanyor karode sunte kara baibuli bane basirete. Kanya kubango bage sunte ime. Lakini karo chipasa lichi ale kurwewe ngakia maega mtu ale konyora. Bono nche ngaji apply this time mheshimiwa so ile obugambi kanyora ngana nyore pasali nkosoma Bugema University igo mugambi mbiyemo sana manene wakorire na ndi no gendete gukora manene
mwenga nakuri ninga mbiyemo pasali kwankonya ira abana mwana no korire korire mbana chikuku nakuri mbiyemo mwana nari ndakana nera kwa munkonyire kunya gusabanya sako konya andi naye tuchikoje mwana gumongine tukumusika
Mereza ngoro kwa Siago Joseph anturu mwanafunzi ndabu mwako kane ase skuru ya Tombo walende tangani kasandu mwezi somo gana wetera se basi kibagendi
jasa malita ni nguru kusara kwa mkamuse ingosoma Platex Technical College yabeire ibasari ya mheshimiwa imekuwa imetusaidia for long nchi corona gachagiti kusoma first year mpaka bona na ikireiga ni basari ya nsomeri noemba nongo chiwankonyere complete nipate documents zangu zote
konye kene basari astintundi ibere chietire kurumaya na boyo ga se familia ne abagondo nyuma banyore basari igobono mugambi okorere gasingia saye basari na bodo ni bota fairness and when you apply na bagwana nyumba kana
Raboti orundo genderete kwarigani wanere dipo na sanya rochiko gochira sobo ikirano chikoraga chinsa ibere na woigo inyetio botko bwarero togo skavosi omo msiebe wodi ya marani omoske Denis Ombachi ni garuro kobolya gocha sabare kurwa asekesa ku kyomugusi kobano obomo na woigo komwa matianyo koboko bosi bobochori obonene bo mwaka 2027 ugona kurwa akaunti ya Nyamira ni go Mosko Ombachi airere buna omugusi aisego korabo osaisego chamo ni go aranya nyare gusikwa nabo yokwegwe getaria kinene ase serikali irache koraswa
mugusi nobo ndato kwana naende ntonya kwera ntotagete na intuno mugusi omwana ito Fred Matiang'i kwanire na tagete president naende we are not campaigning for him unabagusi is becoming a Kenyan president. He has what it takes. So muna moko morigere na abwate gento gesa okorire guys na manyika ino tigere record igo muna ntumo gusi ngomo bwate story buna nchero morai wa na berere myaka ya 15 bongo kwana on behalf ya bagusi igo to chama ka to kwana talinga twangete William Ruto no lakini asebo no ngelinga ki na into ito sokire nero kwana na wa behalf kera tokinga ki bono tutaitenga onye nkwano keroro bona garuta tataite gusi tiarangire Fred Okengo Matiang'i bakwane komo egera to ngitogusuka tiga tukwane mune community tukwane sauti ya
Togo tigana nayo barai gati yabo murayo mukoro bwinsu Moske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta muwaziri omonene Moske Musalia Mudavadi muwaziri bw'ebyombe bike Moske Wycliffe Ombeto Oparanya munogeri bw'ebongenene Moske Moses Masika Wetangula na barai bandi ni gati ya barai bari baikirana ase biroro by'omujumbo mukoro rugari Moske Nyagosira Cyrus Girongo ebyo byegenderete ime Lumakanda ebonge ya rugari ekaunti ya Kakamega yaye andamono abarugi bahaye nigo besokya na kumurira Nyagusira na kumotugia bunaho umuntu obanchete asenchera erengya nabo igo bwanchete abana baye nabo igo tse.
Cyrus was a loving husband, a generous father, and a good person. He loved people and he had no favorite. He touched the lives of so many people. And for us who have been left behind, we are asking God to give us strength as a family, because it is a very, very big blow. And also, thank you for surrounding us with your love ever since this happened. We do not take it for granted, but I just want to say a very, very, very big thank you for those who came to visit us at home. To his children, he was their protector. He loved them with all his heart. If you wanted to cross his path, just do something to his children. He loved them, and I know they know that. And to us, his spouses, Cyrus was so loving. He loved us equally, didn't favor anyone. He would travel, and when he traveled, he would come carrying 3 phones. If there were iPhones, they were all iPhones. If there were Gucci bags, there were Gucci bags, different colors. If it was perfumes, he would bring the same brand, different scents. He was fair to all of us. And we thank him for that, because he made us feel special. He really made us feel special. And he provided anything that we wanted to his ability. So as his spouses, we are very, very grateful to have shared our life with him.
I want to speak to our children. Cyrus loved you all dearly. He equipped each and every one of you with a good quality education, with a belief that that was going to help you excel in life. We trust that each one of you has a good head on their shoulders, and that you shall strive to work hard and to honor your father, and the sky is the limit for you. Your father intentionally brought you up together. You ate together, you prayed together, you played together. Our expectation is that you will remain together. We love you as your mothers, and we strive that we shall continue to support you, and that we shall encourage you, and we shall be your greatest cheerleaders. I find it very hard to speak about Cyrus in the past, but I must say, kwaheri Cyrus. Rest in peace, Cyrus. Rest in peace, CJ. Rest in peace, Sira. We love you, and you will be...
Abarai au baikirana a sebirore bibia muskejirongo ane mono kura orogongo ra western ni ko ba motogire a se ane mono ekirenga kya ya siasa abegete orogongoro na gosira bana siasa bange kura sorogongoro asemo yende ni ko baichane ire go kwa na goteba ni go kwarenge okubotutukanu asebono baruro kubolia gocha se serikali ane mono insejo buraibwa daktari wa Samuel Ruto kwangu yobotuki erio bamanye ekirirete bene ogo kwa
zile shida Jirongo amepitia mwisho. Hao watu ambao aliwalea wangekuja kusaidia yeye, Jirongo angemaliza hiyo maneno. Sisi tunasema Waluya tukilia, tunalia anyhow. Mtukubali tulie rafiki yetu huyu. Kwa sababu huyu Jirongo hajakufa tu kifo cha kawaida. Ukisikia mambo ya Khaniri amesema hapa, Jirongo aliuawa. Na hiyo ndio ukweli ya mambo. Huo ndio ukweli wa mambo. Huyu Jirongo aliuawa, na hii maswali yote tumeuliza tangu Cyrus Jirongo afe. Mbona hatujajibiwa? Mbona hatujajibiwa? Mbona hatuambiwi hii basi Waluya waliokuwa ndani wako wapi? Mbona hatuambii haya maneno yote? Ni uchungu sana. Sisi kama jamii tunaendelea kupoteza watu muhimu sana, na serikali imenyamaza. Nataka kuuliza Rais Mheshimiwa William Ruto, Jirongo alikuwa rafiki yako. Tafadhali, you have all the instruments kutuambia ni nani aliua Cyrus Shagalagaka Jirongo. Kitu ambaye sitafanya ni kujiunga na hawa ndugu zetu hapa ambao wanauliza maswali atiwajibiwe. Huwezi kupata haki. Huwezi kupata haki katika hii serikali. Mnamaliza wakati. Wewe ukiwa kondoo unaenda kutafuta haki kwa mahakama ya fisi, ole wako. Hakuna majibu tutapata kwa ajili ya maisha ya huyu ndugu yetu huyu ambaye amelala hapa. Sisi tunawaachia ndugu zetu watiriki. Nilisikia umeshafanya hiyo kitu. Niseme nisiseme bwana? Niseme nisiseme? Hakuna haki tutapata kwa serikali ya William Ruto juu ya maisha ya huyu ndugu. Sisi tuko nyuma ya hawa tiriki bana.
Masengeri mweru. There is something in crime called motive. Jirongo has either died because of politics or because of business. If it is business, muzungumze mambo ya dhahabu. Because Jirongo, the last meeting I had with him with breakfast, he told me, ambia George Natembeya, mukata
Togenrete kurigiriria ebiriro gose chinkwana chiabwato kwa ase biriro byayo moske Jirongo muri kibwe kiama kiragia ODM moske eduni watenya Sifuna oyubo igori omoseneta wi county ya Nairobi nigo airari bagari aye nabo kumusaba mabira murayo mukoro okane bwense moske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta mabira anemono ase okogendera koramwa negati ya barayi koro ase kiama kiragia ODM Sifuna nigateba moske ke Uhuru nigo arenge oyuwengenjo anemono anaboigo omosani bomurayo mukoro wekiamekyo omoske Raila Odinga na goteba nerebuya egati abarayikorwa ase kiamekyo bagende kuruta chinkwana kitari chingia uchase Uhuru banyare kumwa maskani.
Leo ni tarehe 30 mwezi wa 12 mwaka 2025. Kwa sababu mimi bado ni katibu mkuu wa chama, mimi bado ndio msemaji wa ODM. Nataka kwa niaba ya chama cha ODM ni kuombe msamaha kwa matusi ambayo unaelekezewa na baadhi ya viongozi wa ODM ambao wamesahau kazi ambayo ulifanya kumsaidia baba awe rais. Sisi Waluya huwa tunasema mjinga akishiba anachoma siaki, anachoma gala. Wamesahau kazi ambayo ulifanya. Sisi tulikuwepo pale, sisi ni mashahidi wa kazi ambayo ulifanya kumsaidia baba. Ulijitolea kwa hali na mali. Leo hii wanataka kuukata mkono ambao uliwalisha. Kwa niaba ya chama kizima cha ODM, kwa sababu chama kinabeba wenye akili na washenzi, nataka kwa niaba ya wale washenzi niseme pole kwa matusi ambayo unaelekezewa. Na kama hakuna siku, wacha niseme bana, kama hakuna siku Mheshimiwa Uhuru chama cha ODM kimekuambia asante, leo nataka niseme kama katibu mkuu wa chama cha ODM, asante kwa kumshikilia baba. Baba Raila Amolo Odinga alikuwa anatuambia kila siku, wewe ni baadhi ya rafiki zake wachache ambao walikuwa wa kweli. Na sisi tutazidi kukuheshimu. Kwa sababu tuliwamulika, wanaenda mikutano ya siri kule Kilgoris kuuza chama kwa Mheshimiwa William Ruto. Tukawamulika, unajua Nairobi ambaye anajiita mwana ODM. Wengine wanadanganya Oburu. Nilikuwa na yeye hapa nikamwambia, the thing that used to make Raila a great leader, he used to consult everyone. Hata wale watu ambao walikuwa wamedharauliwa. Unaona mama hapa anajivuruta, unafikiria ajui Raila, kumbe yako na namba yake. Anapiga simu direct. Mimi nataka niseme uamuzi wa jinsi ambavyo chama kitaenda 2027 hautafanywa na hawa viongozi hapa juu. Itisheni mkutano wa National Delegates Convention, wacha wana ODM wakuje waseme wanaenda kwa Ruto ama tusimamishe hata huyu Sifuna. Kwani? Na sisi tunataka kusema, Mheshimiwa Weta, Mheshimiwa Mudavadi, mimi nimewaheshimu siku hizi hata huwa siwasemi, lakini niko
Manche murigereria inkwani yo moske Sifuna nerego chigotwikira omwere w'ekionga chinsa ikomiri tukiria rera sinchira yo bwenge omwero boigoni gocha butokire chitaika 12 na ibere igoro ye chinsa ikomi chabona omorogoba yo murayanda mange ni garache kogochera asobwikirano chikoraga chinsa ibere na boigo inyeche botko barero niyo minto harono toto nyangiri korende tigangire ribageri gari tukiri gari ajumaine chitarike 30 omwaka oyega w'ekirubere 2025 nabo igo omutinyi w'omwero ase omwaka oyega nabo lirabe ngana liritko liane lya omwero murabe mokondra ambeo anene mono ase omwaka oyega koro omwaka ochagete hoikari tukori rero twabere na inu twasangira mange twasemaniri koro anene mono koro ase mesa yekionga mwambwati sirebu na abancho abarigereria mwabeire mo kondusia mamojo so mwabeire mo kondusia mamojo na boigo mwagerere na ikire ase obwaro bwiga torenge mwaka mwenge ni gorenke omwaka omutambe korende nyasaye otoikirie obwaro bwiga na nigo tokumwiraniria mbya muno ase kerari tukugosase kera egento ase obugimo bwiga ritkoria rero kinkwenda gosoka kurumega iga tiriande ngochi gose moika isko gari motenga ndo anyokora kanyaruka karinga ikagende mwaka buta yaya ngogenda ndamatukabera atatu ase rusa enke korende ninchengirane baada yemetienyi mekeigo nende togendere ritengo korwa ase twategete bane mbari baraburinga nkiye kogera ngogenda korende ngogenda ngagari nchikorema naboigo nabona ende mbaretere nonye na no mageni korende omwakonde nguirana ndi megeiga kurwa asende anemono tiangireri bageriga kuiraniria management yonse ya Getembe TV ochakera mu director ito Obed Madam Sharon Erika Buga oyu anemono obeiro yubwengencho ase sabari yiga yane yoboraria gose yoboriki naboigo Haruni Ototo Nyankiri aba director bonse gose management engino engima Geoffrey Onsarigo Josephat Sungura na abande mbere nerimbya mono ase ribageriga mwangete naboigo ase okondemereria kutarana inche korwa mwaka ochagete wikira ritwe eriga yarenga ororo korende tuatarira monaino wikira ritwe eriga wanche muriga nakoro ase amateane anemono tato minto Sivini Nyabuga mamo minto Veronica abana ba minto Andrew Venora Dismas Franklin Francis Ferris na inumbya mono ase amasabaino naboigo mwabere mo kombwatsia anemono munaboigo ni mwabere abenyencho ase sabari yiga yane yakira ritwe mo kondegerera mwantebingarera ngo akora igarera tokaretiga Sumail Seka takogechigu chicomment yechu cyabire cyo monguso ase ubugima bwane ikomono kerengo enda gosoka kurumega iga tigangire ribagiriga mbaire ningambya mono nabo igombaganiri umwaka umya Nyasaye agendere kubasesenia abai afya irengia yo mubere nabo igo kebongo tumogendere ose muska kurugetembe mogendere go chengire merobiri yonse ya Getembe TV kurbono oikachinga kiturache kumberana Jabuna Catherine kwa Mukanyabuga tigangire bageriga mbaganiri amaya wikachinga kitinde Nyasaye abarende abagete asekera ritko nabo ya Getembe TV ito egendere koborno wika ekero turomberane bye bye tumberane ekero kinde
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebata chikonsi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwegeli bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwegeli bale Hairdressing wigo mbagwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production
asa mariete ngoro James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye kutoka Alimong'oni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bali chiloni cyogo soma wetera HELB Higher Education Loans Board ne kibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo umwana gotumia kumenye school urendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency